that still presents multiples. A multiple is nothing but a product of two whole numbers. For example, 3 times 4 is equal to 12, and we say 12 is a multiple of 3 and 4. We could also say the multiples of a number are the numbers that you see on its multiplication table. For example, the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on. And there's no end to this list of multiples of 3, or for that matter, any number. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. And as we see over here, 12 is a number that's multiple of both 3 and 4. That's exactly what this statement out here says. And that actually brings us to the definition of something called the least common multiple, or the LCM. If I were to go ahead and extend this list of multiples of 3, there's no end to that list, so I could go on and on. Let's say the next number is 21 after 18. 3 times 7 is 21. And we have a 24 there, and then we have a 27 and 30 and 33 and 36 and so on. Similarly, for 4, after 24 we could go on for a few more numbers, maybe 28 and 32 and 36 and so on. And the point I want to drive home is the fact that 12 isn't the only common multiple between 3 and 4. We have 12, and then we have 24 that would appear on both lists, and then we have 36 and so on. So starting with 12, the common multiples literally repeat after every 12. So we have the next one at 24, the next one at 36. I'm sure you can guess the next one should be 48, which is 12 more than 36, and so on. So we could say 12, 24, 36, and so on are the common multiples of 3 and 4. But then when we talk about the least common multiple, or the smallest of them all, it's going to be 12. Let's find the multiples of 8 that are less than, let's say, 35. So we have 8, that's 8 times 1, 16, 8 times 2, 24, 8 times 3, and 32, 8 times 4. These are the only 4 multiples of 8 that are less than 35. If you do 8 times 5, it's 40, and that's over 35. Let's find the LCM, or the least common multiple, of 4 and 5. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. And the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. And so the LCM is 20, because that's the smallest number that is a multiple of both 4 and 5. And because the LCM is 20, the common multiples will be all the multiples of the LCM, that is 20. So the next common multiple after 20 will be 40, and the one after that will be 60, and so on.